Hi, my name is Minh, and now I will present about six key concept factor of management. A project manager is a professional in the field of project management. Project managers can have the responsibility of the planning, um, execution, and closing of any project, uh, typically relating to the structures, industry, engineering, structures, computing, and telecommunications. Many other fields in production engineering and design engineering and heavy industrial have project management. The second key concept is the person accountable for accomplishing the stage project objectives. Key project management responsibilities include creating clearly and attainable project objectives, uh, building project requirements, and managing the triple constraint of projects, which is cost, time, and scope. The next key concept is often a silent representative and has to determine and implement the exact needs of silent basis on knowledge of firm they representing the ability to adapt to various internal uh, produce of contracting party and to form a close link with nominate representatives is essential in ensuring that the key issues of cost, time, quality, and both on silent satisfaction can be realized. Next is like any human undertaking, project needs to be performed performed and delivered under certain constraints. Traditionally, these constraints have been listed as cost, time, and cost. They are also referred to as the project management triangle, where each side represents a constraint. One side of the triangle uh, cannot be changes without affecting the others. Further refinement of constraint separate product quality and performance from scope, and turns quality into four uh, constraints. Um, Next, the time constraint refer to the amount of time uh, available to complete a project. The cost constraint refer to purchase amount available for the project. The scope strand refer to what must be done to produce the project and results. These three constraints are often competing constraints. Increased scope typically means increased times and increased cost. A tight time constraint could mean increased cost and reduced scope. Uh, and tight budgets could mean increased time and reduced scope. Um, this skillship line, this ship line of project management is about providing the tools and technique that enable the project team to organize their work to meet this constraint. The work breakdown structure is three structure that show a subdivision of effort required to achieve an objective. For example, a program, project, or contrast. Um, uh, and the work breakdown structure may be hard work, product, service, or process oriented. Um, the work breakdown structure provides a common framework for natural development of overall planning and controlling of contract, and is the basic for dividing work into definable increment from which the statement of work can be developed and technical schedule, cost, or labor hour reporting can be established. About project management framework, the program life cycle integrate the project management and system develop life cycle with activity directly associated with system development and operation. By design, system operation management and related activities occur after the project is complete and are not documents within the guide. For example, in US development of veteran affairs, the program management lifecycle is depicted and described into our project management framework to address the integration of 300 project management activities and the overall project budgeting process. Um, the project management framework diagram illustrate main milestone for which occurs following the deployment of system and the closing of the project. Um, five, five. There, fifth, fifthly, there have been several attempts to develop project management standards such as compatibility, material model from software engineering institute, gaps global alliance for project performance standard, and open source standard describing competencies for project and program managers. Um, the guide of project manager body of knowledge from the project manager institute. Um, Hammer methods, switch, general project management method, select for use in Luxembourg and international organizations. The ISO standard, ISO 9000, family of standard for quality management system, and the ISO um, 10006 in 2003 for quality management system and guideline for quality management in the project. Um, Price, Prince 2 project in controls environment associates for project management body of knowledge. Team software from software engineering institute. Total cost management framework, VModel, the logical framework approach, which is popular in international development, organizations. Uh, IAPM, the International Association of Project and Program Management Guide to Project Editing and Recruiting Trouble Project. Six uh, portfolio project portfolio management. An increasing number of organizations is using what is referred to as project portfolio management, as mean of selecting the right project and then using project management technique as means for delivering the outcome in the form of benefits and the performing private or not-profit organization. Um, Project management after 6 keys of factors. I hope you can know about project management, and uh, thank you for listening.